Hello everybody. I show you here. La 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 la. I got this type of cookie, the original one. Chips toy of belong to this company. That's the brand of the cookies, but the name of the company make this is here. Nabisco, the company name Nabisco. This one is original one. This one's Hershey. I don't know how to read Hershey. Milk chocolate. Made with Hershey milk chocolate. Got two. I got this one. This red velvet artificial flavor. Cream cheese filled soft cookies. Let me see. Just that way. No, I still have one. I got this one. Reese. Reese peanut butter chips. Milk chocolate. Make with milk chocolate. Reese peanut butter cups. Just let's see. Let's go the big one. I got the big package too. This one. Real chocolate chip cookies original. Oh, I got two of them as the same there. Sorry. Yeah, somehow I got two the same. This one, Chewy. Soft, yummy, tasty. This one made with the milk chocolate, Reese peanut butter cups. I think I did. I got this also. Oh. I think the same thing, but a different package. But for now, I got the same. Sorry. Oh no, this one is Chewy. This one none. This is Chewy. Yeah, just a little different. Oh, and this one candy blast. And the last one. The last one I got here. Deep for fun, real chocolate chunk cookies. Deep for fun with this one. And this is a real chocolate chunk cookie chip for horn. So I got 3, 6, 10 of them here. So let me open one, have the double same. I bought 2 of them are same. So I'll open that for you to see. And I eat too. Okay, let's open it so I can eat it. So let you see inside and then I eat it too. So these, I have two in the bottom, have the same. Do you see it? Let me see. Let me move a little bit out. Yeah. It's not far. As far as here. Yeah. Two bottom is the same. So I will. I'm going to open one of them. Yeah, it's the same. So I open one of them, and then, so you see it. Top is not far down. Let me see. And we put like this, so it's not far. Look like I'm sitting here selling the cookies. Anyone buy cookies? Buy one, get one free. $10 per package. I bought 3 something for one package, and then I'm going to sell 10 buy one, get one free. So, I smell it good. So I put in my pocket, how many, $6 something. Wow, that's a big profit, right? Unless someone buy it, so I made that much profit. Yeah. And then I will be in the history too, and some people talk about me for a while. Probably next generation still talk about me themselves. Buy only 3 something, and then sell 10. Buy one get one free too, and so on. Yeah. Oh, you know what? Why I open right here? I always, they have the thing right here. You just peel it up. You take the cookie in and then put it back. Now I unbox like this. I'm unable to keep the cookie in here anymore. Okay, here. Yeah, the cookie. Good. Let me show you closer. Hello, you know, it's been a long time I haven't eaten a cookie, the dry cookie like this. Yeah. Now it's very tasty. It's very good. But if I eat every day, it's not taste very good. That's it. No more. Real chocolate chip cookies. Original. And now I seal it back, but the thing I open it here, so I have to get a container, the cookie jar, to put it in later. Yep. So the rest of them, is exactly the picture from the picture, I think. Let me see. Does this look like? Yeah, it's look alike. Oh. So the rest of them, this I have to put outside because I touched my finger on that. So that is my cookies, and and how long I finished up this? You guess so. I will eat probably 2 cookies a day. How many of them here? Oh, I forgot. There's 3 cookies, 7 inside 3 cookies, 33 grams, 7, 11, about 11 servings per containers. So 11 by 3, 33. 33 cookies. Let me see. I add 3, 2 and 1 drop there, and 3. Down me a count. Let me see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. This one, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 31. So that means I got 1 extra cookie for this package. According to the label outside, 11 servings per container, but the serving size was 3 cookies, so that's 33 cookies. But in here, 31 plus 2, I eat the 33. 1 I dropped there, 34. So I got 1 extra in here. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.